In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a door lock actuator on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located in the side door. Let's get started. We're going to go around using a drill bit and we're going to remove all of the rivets from our door panel. We have 8 in total. The process is going to be the same for all of them. Drill out the head. Once the head pops off onto your drill bit, move on to the next one. Once you drill out all of the rivets, remove the panel. We're going to go through our door right here to our yellow clip, and we're going to remove our door rod from it. We're going to pull out on this tab right here, and when we do that, we can push back on the clip. Pull back on that tab and on the clip. Get the door rod uninstalled from it. Using a T30 bit, we're going to remove the 4 fasteners for our door lock actuator. Pull straight up on your actuator. I'm going to give it a 1/4 twist and remove it from the door. Pop the clip off of the rod and pop the rod out of the lock. Install the rod into the actuator and then get it installed into that plastic clip. Install the actuator into the door. Get the door lock actuator installed. Install the plate around the actuator. Get the screws started. They screw into the actuator itself. So I'm going to put a thumb into this lock and pull down, and that'll hold it still while we thread it in. Repeat this process for all of the fasteners. Get all the bolts installed. Snug them down in a cross pattern. Install the lock and close that yellow tab. Give it a push, make sure it's actually locked in there. I'm going to grab the handle on the outside and work it. And make sure both our rods are actuating. Install the door cover. We're going to get our rivets started. And get it fully installed. Go around the door and repeat that process for all of the rivets. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.